Welcome to the coupon camp. Today we are in Dollar Dinner doing our any day deals, guys. And the first thing I'm going to start with is on the paper tissue aisle. We're going to pick up 3 Scott. Let's go. This is what we're going to do. We're going to pick up 3 Scott 12 packs at $5 each. We're going to pick up 1 advanced warmer at $4. It's a $4 off coupon, making that free. Then we're going to go to the dollar aisle. We're going to pick up 1 Cascade 2-count dishwasher detergent pack. Sorry guys, we're gonna pick that up. So you're gonna have 1, 2, 3. When you spend $15 on Scott, you get a $3 off coupon. So let's do the deal. Scan the Cascade 2-count dish packs are $1, and it is a $1 off coupon, making the Cascade completely free. Now let's scan the advanced warmer. Let's see. I can't get it focused here. Okay. It is $4. A $4 off coupon, making our second thing completely free. Okay. Then we're gonna scan the Scott Comfort Plus. Okay. Scott is $5. And when you spend $15, you save $3 automatically. So let's do the math, guys. We got so much, and we don't have no 5 off 25 to go with it. Okay, so we're going to do 15 for the Scott tissue, 4 for the warmer, and $1 for the Cascade. Put us at $20. Now we're going to take the $1 off the Cascade, the 4 off the warmer, and the 3 off the Scott tissue, leaving us at $12. Divide that by 3, 4, 5. You're paying $2.40 each. Hey, we're going to pay $2.40 for this tissue. Great deal. Let's get to our next deal. Do another any day deal. This time it's going to involve this Arm & Hammer right here. It's the 50 lows. It's on sale for $4.75. It has a $1 coupon. Then you're going to pick up 1 Colgate at $3.35. It has a $2 coupon. 1 advanced warmer, $4 off, making it free. 1 Glade spray. They got the scents on them. This one is $2. It's a $1 coupon off. So let's do this deal. And we're going to scan the things we did not scan. Okay, the Arm & Hammer is $4.75, and it is a $1 off coupon. Then you want to scan your Colgate. Is at $3.35, and is a $2 off coupon. Then let's scan the Glade spray. The Glade spray is $2, and it is a $1 coupon. So let's do the math, guys. The Arm & Hammer is $4.75. The toothbrush is $3.35. The Glade is $2, and the advanced warmer is $4. Leave us at $14.10. Take your $1 off the Glade. Take your $2 off the Colgate. Take your $1 off the Arm & Hammer, and take your $4 off the Advance. Leave you at $6.10. Divide that by 4. You're paying $1.52 each. $1.52, guys. $1.52. That's all I gotta say is $1.52 for this. This is a great deal right here. Let's get to our next any day deal. You're gonna get 1 big gain. It is the 154 fluid ounces. This is Island Fresh. It has this on it right here. It's at $15.95. It is a $4 Dollar General coupon. This is any day deal. You can use this coupon any day of the week, just when you get ready to stack it. If you're going to use it with the 5 off 25 store coupon, you have to cover that deal, okay? Then you're going to grab 1 Glade at $2. It's a $1 coupon. 1 Cascade 2-pack off the dollar aisle at $1. It's a $1 coupon. And then 1 Advance at $4. It's a $4 coupon. The only thing we're going to scan is the gain, because we have not scanned that to get the coupon off of it, okay? And when I scan it, it's $15.95, and it's actually 2 coupons attached to it. One is the save $4. It is a Dollar General coupon. Whenever it's black, you need to tap it to turn it and claim the coupon. Then you have the spend 25, save 5 off gain product. Tap that to turn that and claim that. Now, if this was on a Saturday, you want to use that, you would have to turn this right here, right there. Then you have to go up to $30, okay? Now, so let's do the math. $15.95 for the gain, $4 for the plug, $2 for the glade, and $1 for the cascade. Leave you at $22.95. Take away your $4 off the gain, take $4 off the warmer, take $1 off the cascade, and $1 off of the glade. Leave you at $12.95. Divide that by 4, $3.23. Listen, if you can pay $3.23 for this right here, this is a great deal, and I would not miss that deal at all. That is a fantastic deal, okay? $3.23. Day deal, guys, is going to go on the Ritz crackers. They're $3.95. Spend $9, save $3 on instant on anything on here. Now, these are the two that I picked up. The individual is 8 packs of the little individuals in here, and when I scan it, let me show it to you. Okay, I'm gonna go to our scan. I have to screenshot everything I scan from now on because it does not save it like it should. Okay, $4.95, and hold it. They are $3.95. Then you have the spend $9 on any of these products, you'll save $3. Make sure you claim it. It's a Dollar General coupon. Also, if you use it on 5 off 25, then it's a 50-cent off, limit of 2. You usually don't get cash back if you have a coupon, but we all hit it just in case it flukes. Then they also have a 2 for $7. So you know if it is spend $9, save $3, we're at $7. We need to go find $2 more worth. Now, that can be anything in that little square. So let's go around this corner to this aisle. On the little dollar bench, right here, it is the Oreo cookies. They're 4 packs. They're $1. When I scanned it, they show you in the app that they're $1, and they are a part of that spend $9, save $3. So we're gonna grab those two to round it out to $9. Okay, and then let's look at what we have and let's check us out a deal. So this is the deal that I will put up. These are 2 for $7, a part of the spend $9, save $3, and these are $1 each, a part of the spend $9, save $3. And then of course you want to put this up here to give you a little more advantage. That is $4, and it's a $4 coupon. And then the Cascade is $1, and it is a $1 coupon. Okay, so not only are you going to do this deal, but you're also going to incorporate some freebies in that deal. So we already looked at the coupons for everything on here. Let's do the deal. The Ritz is at $7. The golden cookies are at $1 each, so that's 2. The Cascade is at $1, and the Advance is at $4. Take you to $14. Now we're going to take that 3 is going to come off for the spend $9, and then you're going to take that $1 off the Cascade, then you're going to take that $4 off the Advance, leaving you at $6 for this deal. $6. Once you're at $6, divide that by 1, 2, 3, 4, divide it by 6, $1. So you're going to pay, first of all, $1 for that. That's fantastic. Okay, we're basically still paying $1 for these, but we're okay. You are paying $1 for these Ritz crackers. If you could pay $1 for an 8-pack of Ritz crackers, this day and age, I will go ahead and grab that deal, okay? Now, the reason why I keep incorporating the freebies are pancakes, and they're mini pancakes. So let me find those. Guys, we are going to grab the minis, and I'm actually going to grab the one that's 40 pancakes. I'm going to grab 2 boxes of them. I scanned them. They're actually $4. They're on sale 2 for $6. So they're $3 each, which is actually a very good deal. So I'm going to grab these. My boys, they didn't have any chocolate. I was going to get one for one of my sons. He's autistic and he loves chocolate pancakes. I was going to get one for him, but I don't see it. Now, a couple of more deals you can do. You can do the Red Baron, buy one pizza, get the Pepsi for free at $5.79. Or you can do the 2, is that Tostito? 2 pizzas, and it's $1 off coupon off one of them. Let's see who it is. Do the 2 Tombstones, and it's actually $1 off coupon, so it make them $4.50 each. or $3.50 each, $4.50 each. It's $1 off coupon, so that's a great deal. Okay, and don't forget your cakes over here. They're 2 for $3.50. It's Halloween time. Oh, look at that. I can't wait to go and see Wicked, guys. I saw the screenplay. Fantastic. If you want to see something great, go see that. Okay, $2. And then we have, oh, you can earn cash back when you buy 2. So, and then they are 2 for $3.50. So I'm going to grab my 2 cakes. Let me scan the chocolate. See if that's on. Okay, yes, so that match. So I can get 1 vanilla and 1 chocolate. I'm gonna earn $1 back, paying just $2.50 for these instead of $3.50. Okay, guys, you see this cart, right? Now remember, these are $2.95. You can grab these any day of the week if you can find them. I did do that on my any day deals, my do now deals, because it is a do now. Now let me scan the muffins. Let me see something. Last time I scanned these and they were coming up under that deal, $1. Oh, and it's $1 back on 2. That deal, it goes for the cakes and that, so it depends on which one you want. So those are $1 each. I will put the cakes back because we always want the better deal, and I do have cake. I'm gonna get 2 chocolate chip muffins. Last time the blueberries didn't work, so I'm gonna buy 2 of these for $2. Then they're gonna give me $1 cash back, paying 50 cents each for these. Okay, better deal, guys, better deal. Okay, guys, thanks for tuning in to Ivy's Coupon Cap. Make sure you hit like, subscribe, and share this channel. Bye. This is my card. This is how I'm looking for my any day deals. $2.95. You can get these anytime you want to. Okay.